Okay, I'm going to do a short little video on something that I found this morning that was very helpful. My laptop was really almost full, and I had no room left on it. And I was kind of fiddling around here, and I was able to free up gigabytes of disk space with this technique. So I'm going to share it with you. And what I'm looking at here is on the settings on my MacBook. Now on the settings, I'm going to back up a little bit, and you're going to go to General. And under General, you're going to go under Storage. And under Storage, it's going to calculate for a minute, and you're going to see all the storage that these things are using over here. Mail, messages, photos, other users. So what I did was I clicked on Messages. And the Messages, what happens is it will pull up a list of every single attachment that you've ever received on a message. And in my case, there's a lot of them. And I deleted hundreds of them this morning, and I actually freed up gigabytes of space. So what I'll do is I'll select one. I'm going to hold down the down. I'm going to hold up the shift. I'm going to hold the shift button, then the down arrow, and I'm going to select a bunch of these. See, they're quite lengthy. Now these go back, like some of these go back to 2018, 2017, and I don't need the attachments anymore in the messages. So I'm just going to select a bunch of these here, and then I'm going to go down to delete. And it's going to say you want to delete 174 selected items. And you can see right there, those items contain 2 gig of storage. That's a lot of storage just for text message pictures. So I'm going to delete those. I'm going to let them delete. I'm going to click done. And that's how I did that. Now you can do the same thing with your applications, your documents, your iCloud Drive. All these different files here if you want to go in and get rid of them. But I'm pretty sure that if you just go into your messages, that if you're like me, you have a ton of attachments that people are always sending with a text message. So that's where you can go. That's how you can get rid of them. And that's how you can free up a ton of storage on your MacBook. So hope that was helpful. If you happen to find it useful, just give me a like and subscribe. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and a wonderful holiday season.